This crime is called skimming of debit or credit card using certain machines, and there are certain devices and technologies used in this. In simple form, whenever anybody uses a debit or credit card in a ATM machine in which this skimmer has been fitted, all the details of his card are copied, and also the PIN number is captured by a small pinhole camera. Now, using these two things, the data and the PIN number, a duplicate card can be made, and using the PIN number the money can be withdrawn. And the most important thing is that whenever you are visiting any ATM or a machine, just check on the card inserting slot if there is an extra device which is attached. If you try to pull it, the extra thing will come out in your hand. If that device is attached, and also you can find out that if there is a camera attached. If that is so, immediately inform Goa police and you can be rewarded 1000 rupees for discovery of such a device. And if based on this information we are able to catch the skimmer also, who will sometime later come to collect that device after he has collected all the details, then we may give that person a reward of 5000 rupees.